Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at installing the Liftmaster 878 Max wireless keyless entry pad for your Liftmaster garage door opener. So this is the Liftmaster pad. You can install this on the outside of your house so that people can enter a code to get into your garage. And to synchronize it with your particular Liftmaster, you just follow the instructions on here. You want to look at the color of the Learn button on your particular Liftmaster. So I'm going to go take a look. So mine is red color there. So I'm going to note that and go back to the instructions. Okay, so it says red. We've got a particular procedure here. So let's go to the actual keypad. So I actually installed the keypad on the outside, and I'll show you how I did that. So here's the keypad on the outside of my house. Really simple to get it on there. All I did was, there's a battery door here you can open up. And there's one screw in here, and then there's another screw that goes into the wall and then into a little hook on the back here. So I put the first screw in to my wall, I just hook that on, and then I put a second screw here to attach it. Really easy to attach. There's no wires or anything because it is all battery powered. So now let's actually configure it to work with my particular Liftmaster opener. So let's refer to the instructions again, and we're going to follow the procedure here. Okay, so we're going to press and hold these buttons until this stops blinking. Okay, that puts us into a programming mode. Now we're going to enter a 4-digit PIN code. I'm going to just pause here and enter my own because I don't want to show this, obviously. Okay, so I entered my PIN. Now I'm going to press the pound key there. Next thing, I'm going to press the enter button the number of times it corresponds with the opener type. So you saw I got the red and orange, so I'm going to press 3. Perfect. Now I'm going to press and release the 0 button. Okay, now I'm going to go press that Learn button on the garage door opener, and I should see the Learn LED light up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and press that button. And indeed, the LED is lit. Now I'm back to the pad, going to enter my PIN code. Again, I'm going to move this off to the side. Okay, entered my PIN. Now I'm going to press the enter button. And that should now program things properly. Now if I press the PIN that I just programmed and then press enter, the door should open. So let's go ahead and I'm going to close it first. I'm going to press the manual button to close it, and we'll go outside the house. Okay, great. So we're outside now. That's closed. Now again, I'm going to enter my mysterious PIN code. Now let's press enter. And there we go. It's programmed and connected. And that door is going to go ahead and open right up. Now when you're not using this, it's nice to cover it. That way it's protected from the weather. And if you want to close the door from outside, you don't have to enter your PIN. You just press the enter button. And there we go. Door's closing. And we're all good. That's how we install our Liftmaster remote keypad.